Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add a subdomain on GoDaddy. So first of all, you need to come to a browser and search for godaddy.com, and after that you have to uh, sign into your GoDaddy domain portfolio, and after that you have to select an individual domain to access the domain settings page like it shows here, domain name, and let's say the mycoolnewbusiness.com. Select that one and select DNS to view your DNS record, and you have to click on the DNS at DNS records, and after that you have to select add new record and then select A from the type menu and enter the details for your new A record subdomain and the host name or prefix of the record without the domain name such as blog or shop. The name must follow these guidelines, like periods are allowed but not as the first or last character. Consecutive periods like 3 dots are not allowed. Cannot begin or end with a hyphen, and 63 characters in a row not separated by period, like example 63 characters dot 63 characters dot school example.com, and 255 characters maximum. So the value should be the IP address the record will point to. This is commonly the IP address for a hosting account. Select add another value and add more IP addresses to this A record. And time to live the amount of time the server should cache information about refreshing. The default setting is 1 hour. So you can select add more records to add multiple DNS records at the same time. If you change your mind, select delete to remove any records that haven't been saved yet. You can select save to add your new record if you added multiple records at the same time. Select save all records. Domain with domain protection require additional identity verification. If you've had two-step verification turned on for at least 24 hours, enter the code we sent via email, SMS, or enter the code from your authenticator app. Otherwise, enter the one-time password the GoDaddy sent to the email address on your GoDaddy account. So that's it for today's video. See you on the next one.